Embroidery, with its rich tapestry of history spanning thousands of years, stands as a testament to human creativity and skill. This art form has evolved from the time-honored practice of simple hand-stitching to the utilization of contemporary, high-precision embroidery machines that define modern textile decoration. The journey of embroidery through the ages has been marked by significant advancements, culminating in the creation of digital file formats that communicate intricate designs to computerized embroidery machines. Among these formats, the DST file format has emerged as an industry favorite. Originated by Tajima, the esteemed Japanese company founded in the mid-20th century, the DST format was tailor-made to work seamlessly with their state-of-the-art embroidery machines. These pioneering machines marked a revolution, being among the first to feature computer-controlled stitching. This leap in technology facilitated the creation of designs with a level of detail and precision that was previously unattainable through manual methods. The innovation that was the DST file format rapidly found favor across the embroidery industry, gaining widespread acceptance not just with Tajima machines, but also with other leading manufacturers like Brother and SWF. Its enduring popularity is anchored in its efficiency and versatility. Much like a detailed blueprint, a DST file acts as a set of digital instructions for embroidery machines. It meticulously dictates every stitch's position, the color sequence of threads, and the count of stitches required for the artwork to come alive. One of the distinctive attributes of the DST file format is its compact size, enabling a seamless transfer of intricate designs across various devices and platforms. Embroiderers can easily share designs or store vast libraries of artwork on modest storage mediums like a USB flash drive. Besides, its small file size does not compromise on detail. The format supports extraordinarily refined patterns and ornamentation, making it invaluable, particularly for commercial embroiderers who prioritize the quality and fidelity of their designs. While the DST format is preeminent, it is by no means the sole option in the embroidery industry. Alternatives such as PES, JEF, and IXP are also prevalent, each with unique characteristics catering to the diverse preferences of machine manufacturers and designers. However, the DST format's merits keep it at the forefront, widely employed by designers and extensively supported by embroidery software and machinery. Today, the DST file format's role in the embroidery landscape is as prominent as ever. Despite the arrival of newer, more advanced file formats like VP3 and JPX, which boast enhanced features, the DST format enjoys continued preference for its tried and tested reliability and user-friendliness. Many businesses and creators continue to endorse it as their go-to format for embroidery design. The future may usher in file formats that eclipse the capabilities of DST, but for now and for the foreseeable future, this format retains its stronghold in the embroidery domain. With its storied legacy, precision, and ease of use, the DST embroidery file format stands as a cornerstone of the embroidery industry, a position it is likely to hold on to as it adapts and evolves with the times. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.